Another big day for the Old Harbor Bridge put on hold as the operation to lower the bridge's center span onto a barge faced another delay earlier today.
Yeah, crews were out there earlier today ready to work, but a peek at the forecast turned to concerns that brought about other plans.
It's a story our Natalia Osuna has been monitoring closely these last several days. She joins us now live with updates and also some insight. Natalia?
Mike, Leslie, that's right. I mean, we've been covering this story since, last weekend, all day yesterday, and today we learned that there has been another delay. I'm going to step aside here. We're next to Whataburger Field, so you can see here behind me. I mean, take a look at this vantage point of the Old Harbor Bridge. As you mentioned, this morning we didn't see many crews up there, maybe one or two workers, but aside from that, really no action going on today. I mean, you can see it's pretty paused at the moment. And so according to TxDOT officials earlier today, operations to lower the Old Harbor Bridge needed to be put on pause again. And this time they still are. TxDOT says work on the bridge got bumped up against a weather window, prompting delays due to the incoming cold front. As a result, there was a safety call to move it to Thursday because they say Thursday and Friday look promising weather-wise, according to the National Weather Service. So, I mean, this is a major infrastructure and engineering project, and you might wonder what goes into lowering the Old Harbor Bridge and why is the project delayed due to weather concerns? Well, I spoke with Del Mar College engineering professor Dr. Wissam Atwa, who breaks it down for us.
Using the method of the Boolean is really great idea in order to shorten the time on the project, and we could finish it in a short time and short the project planning for it and lower it down all the way into the bar. And we need to make sure the safety of the workers and the environment over the process.
And I mean, as Dr. Atwa explained, this is a multi-step complex process to lower that nearly 6 million pound center span of the Old Harbor Bridge that you see there down to Prometheus, that 300-foot long massive barge. So as we saw this morning, the barge was moved, but we've been in contact with different officials working with to get you the latest updates. And we did hear from the Port of Corpus Christi earlier today, their Chief External Affairs Officer Omar Garcia saying that the port is working with the U.S. Coast Guard just to make sure that they can open that chip channel whenever they need to in order to maintain business and vessel traffic when possible. Of course, we'll keep you updated on Thursday when the center span is set to be lowered, so stay tuned. Mike, Leslie.
All right, Natalia, thank you for all of those updates.